Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, is a viral disease that affects both humans and animals. It's similar to smallpox but usually less severe. Okay, let's talk about how it spreads, symptoms, and how we can protect ourselves.
Mpox spreads through direct contact with an infected animal, human, or contaminated materials. This includes bodily fluids, lesions, and respiratory droplets from someone who is infected. After 5 to 21 days, symptoms start with fever, headaches, muscle aches, and swollen lymph nodes. Soon after, a rash appears beginning on the face and spreading to other parts of the body. The rash goes through several stages from blisters to scabs.
To prevent Mpox, avoid contact with potential infected animals or people. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's work together to stop the spread.